Right, we're on to the first spin on half load with these new Ariel 2-in-1 pods, so we'll see if it does do a sud lock. But at the moment it is out of balance a bit, but never mind. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I've got a hell of a lot more content coming. I post a hell of a lot. I do post like quite a good few videos a day, but sometimes do have a break. Nice clean spin, no suds or anything. There. We are on a dark wash as well, so does do a longer spin than the synthetics on this one. Oh, maybe not. No, it's still a similar spin. Thought it did a bit longer.